Hello and welcome, my dear friends. Welcome to another unboxing episode. I've just returned from the post office with this pack, and I'm quite excited about the content of it. You will see it contains a vintage beauty. I won't tell you what it is. I have the pack, I have some scissors here, and a little cutter here to help me open this pack. And let me start with this part over here. It's quite difficult to open it. As you can see, it's quite well packed, and I will start with this part right over here. I hope that I can open it quite nice. So this is one part, this is the other part, sorry. Okay, and let's see, like this. Okay, let me take out this label, and now let's see. It is a box. Let me see how to open it. I think it opens, yes, through this side, and I have my little cutter like this. Okay, and yes, I think I need to cut some more on this side and on this side right over here. Okay. Whoa, nice wrapping. And let me see. Quite well wrapped, in fact. It's not such a large item, you will see, but nicely packed. And this was the content, guys. Okay, the item should be right over here. Let me take out those little wrapping material. Let's see if I can take out this. Why not? Let me use again the scissors. Okay, and the item is right over here. What do you think it is, guys? Well, I tell you, it is a beautiful, beautiful, quite vintage, old and vintage inkwell. And I bought it from a Facebook group, from an antique seller in my country. And let me show it to you, and after that I will tell you what I paid for it. So yes, this is it. Whoa, it's wonderful, guys. Actually, it was like a bid, and the starting bid was around €5, but it had also winning or a blitz price, and I paid that blitz price almost immediately. And guys, the pictures did not give it justice. It looks stunning. It's like a crystal. And guys, what did I pay for it? So including the shipping costs to my address, I paid 90 lays, or the equivalent of 18.13 euros, or 19.15 US dollars. And it is very, very beautiful. But what it is interesting about it, actually, if you would look down here, probably you can recognize something from Venice, San Marco Square, with, I don't know, this tower. But this is faded away. What is interesting is the fact, let me see how I can open it. Yes, it opens like this. And here we have Ricordo di Venezia, a souvenir from Venice, Italy. It is simply wonderful, guys. Of course, this has faded away, but it's still recognizable. So a very, very, very nice item, and for only 18 euros or 19 American dollars, I think I have a winner right here. A beautiful, beautiful piece. I have inkwells like this one, but not as beautiful as this inkwell, guys. Tell me what you think. Did I get a great deal on this inkwell? No matter what, even if I overpaid for it, it is a real beauty, and I will proudly display it right here, I believe, on this side. It's wonderful, guys, and simply stunning. So this was my unboxing for today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. I certainly have a wonderful day receiving this wonderful, wonderful item. What can I say? I will see you again in the next episode. Till then, bye bye, my dear friends, and God bless.